Hi, I'm Leslie. Welcome to Hardin Bed Breakfast. Come in. I've decided to convert this into Hardin Bed and Breakfast and an events place with villas. So as you can see, the space here, we use it for small intimate gatherings such as weddings and birthdays. It can accommodate up to 50 guests. My aim is to be able to reuse or repurpose a lot of the materials that we readily have, especially during pandemic where not a lot of supplies are readily available. This is a 22 feet long solid lawaan wood that we have placed here at the center of the events. The base are 2 water pumps that we had before, and at the end of it is the forklift that we had here also. These green panels were the original gates that we used for the chambers before of kiln drying. So we decided to repurpose them as well because of the limited materials that we have available during the pandemic. This is the Palm Villa. It's a 60 square meter loft type room. It has its own dipping pool, small living space, as well as room upstairs, which can accommodate up to 4 people. This is a sofa that we made from our own factory. The fabrics are scrap material that we have put together to be able to come up with this unique design. This is our loft. So as you can see, we have 2 queen-size beds. This accommodates up to 4 people. Our flooring is also repurposed and came from the old office of the warehouse. And then we have the dresser that was from my mother-in-law. So it's a heirloom piece that was given to us by their family. This is a window that we have repurposed and reused. Basically, it came from the old warehouse factory that we had here in the 90s. This is the garden villa. It has its own outdoor pool as well as view deck. It's a 40 square meter room, loft type. It has a small living space here and then a loft that can accommodate up to 4 people. This room used to be a drying chamber, which was part of the factory. A lot of the things in the room are actually repurposed and reused, such as the staircase, the flooring, the rails on the loft, as well as the door in the bathroom. Because I love the idea of garden, I've asked my in-house artist to do a mural of an ahaw plant. Because we want to bring the outdoor in, we've created this bathroom with skylight ceiling, as well as a bit of an open space. And then we put in some plants, a bit of natural stones, and solid wood as well. Thank you for visiting Hardin Bed and Breakfast. We hope to host you soon. Bye!